Hello YouTube, Dion from BiteX Tech with the unboxing of this Beurer medical insect bite healer that is somewhat a medical device that you use when you have an insect bite. I don't know the exact science used here, but this is essentially a device that will alleviate the pain and you'll have to use less of chemicals or drugs on the spot. Okay, here we have some information about this product. You have an automatic switch off, some quick heating. It's ideal for pregnant women. It's up to 300 applications, and okay, the heat seems that can alleviate the pain, and I can see now why this is a really useful gadget for when you are walking on a countryside or trekking or using this especially in the summer. So let's open the box and check this product closely. Okay, first of all we have some batteries here, two AAA batteries. That's nice. It's great that these are included. Well, it seems that we have a lot of paperwork here. That's because this is considered a medical device. So okay, we have lots of manuals and instructions here in different languages. Okay, let's check this one. Okay, we have the basic parts of the device, and I guess we can see all the specification of this product. And okay, I guess one of these must be the warranty. Yeah, everything is the same. I guess we have some information here on this leaflet here in various languages again. Well, okay, I won't read all of these, but one should, because this is, as I said, a medical device, so you must know how to use it properly and take care of these insect bites. Either way, you should seek for medical assistance. Now let's check okay, we have another paper here about this device. Okay, it's essentially the same, and here we have the device. Now this is really compact, I dare to say portable. We have an on-off switch, but we must first insert the batteries, a carabiner style clip to carry this around, and let's open here the battery compartment and install the batteries. I can see this device being really useful for really common and annoying insect bites like mosquito bites. Now this must be the trick. A couple of AAA batteries here and they will alleviate the pain. I will use some rechargeable batteries here, but I don't know if that's the proper way to use this device. So let's install the batteries now and check the product, and we should close the lid here, something like that. Okay, so this is the contact point with the bite, and okay, we can turn on the switch and we have power. So in theory I must feel some heat now on my skin while okay, it's turning it off. Is that all that it's applied? Okay, now okay, again I don't feel a lot of heat here. This is some kind of ceramic or plastic, and I cannot understand the material used there. I'm kind of baffled. Okay, I figured this out. You must turn on the device and just hit one single press until the LED goes blue, and then you apply the heat, then kicks in. Okay, if you press it for too long, it will automatically close. Okay, now it's a little bit warm here. Okay, there is a cooling time needed. You just have to take my word for it, and I cannot verify if that actually works on an insect bite, but I guess the science works here. So this was the unboxing of the Beurer insect bite healer. That's a really great product, so feel free to leave us a like, subscribe, and as always from BiteX Tech, thank you for watching. Until the next time, peace.